So let's try our luck and see what's going to happen. Hello. Hello. Excuse me, my name is Brandon. And Brandon, I'm from England. I play professional football, and I come to Greece to play football as well. You know?
Now,
Cole Sporting Director.
where you play?
I play in England. I have transfer marked everything, you know? First division.
What category? How you be here in Athens?
Just fly.
Yes.
I come here, you know? So I just think maybe I ask, but you know,
What position?
center back.
Center back. Όλοι ψήνουν. Απλώς ήρθε, λέγε, ήρθε εδώ και Please, we are full of players in the team. Okay.